Number 5. TeamGroup T-Force Delta RGB DDR5. TeamGroup's T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 C40 shines in both performance and looks. This RAM kit, with its eye-catching heat spreader adorned with addressable RGB lighting, transforms any build into a visual masterpiece. While there's no dedicated software for the RGB, your motherboard's suite should suffice nicely. Gamers will appreciate the range of speeds from 5200 MHz to 8000 MHz. This variety ensures you get the exact performance you crave. The T-Force Delta also comes in 32GB, 64GB, and 96GB kits, providing ample memory for your gaming or creative needs. Expanding on the key features, the sophisticated heat spreader design isn't just about aesthetics. It keeps your system cool during those intense gaming marathons. And let's not forget the sharp, angular cuts and bold logos. They're more than just for show. They give your setup a futuristic vibe. XMP 3.0 SPD profiles make speed adjustments a breeze. No more fiddling with settings to get your RAM running optimally. Everything can be done effortlessly, ensuring smooth performance. Although there's no proprietary lighting software, using your motherboard's options still offers plenty of customization. What really stands out? The unique aesthetic and reliable performance. Everything feels well thought out, from design to function. My only gripe is the lack of dedicated lighting control software, but it's a minor inconvenience given the overall quality. To sum up, TeamGroup's T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 RAM delivers both style and substance. Gamers and creatives alike should definitely give this RAM a closer look.